Welcome back to the Warco's Colorado YouTube page. I'm Alex with Warco's Colorado and Warco Magazine. Today's video is going to be shooting on our wartime anniversary model 4x5 speed graphic camera. This will be my first time shooting large format photography, as well as loading film and developing. And I wanted to bring you all along to show you kind of the step-by-step process of shooting on one of these older cameras. All right, first up we're going to load our film in our dark bag here. We've got Ilford HP5, and I've got two film magazines here. Just to show you what I'll be doing in this bag in the darkness with a couple pieces of film that I can't use, see, they've already been exposed. So you'll see the little ridges here on the 4x5 film. That tells you that if you put this in the upper left corner when you're loading the magazine here, or bottom right, the way I load it, that your emulsion side will be up. So you feel for these ridges, and when this is open in the dark bag, you want to slide this in underneath these two ridges here, like I talked about, and you can feel that little ridges on the end there. You know your emulsion side will be up. Once you get it in there, you kind of want to make sure it's in place. You'll fold this back in, close that up. We'll do the same thing on the opposite side. So we'll make sure our little ridges are down in this corner down here. Slide our film in. Make sure we're tight in there. Close it back up. Then we lock our film. Then we would erase the type of film we used previously on here and replace it with whatever you've got information-wise. But that's what I'll be doing. Ta-da! 4x5, I have a case with all the accoutrements for it. So let's set it up for photography. So first things first, we need to make sure the lens is open. So I'm going to hold this button down. We can see through that now. We're going to move our lens in a little closer, since we're taking a picture that's farther away. Let's see what we got through our ground glass here. picture framed up. I took a light reading. We're going to be at f/16 at 400 speed. We can go ahead and close the lens shutter. We're set to 400. We're set to f/16. Here's the film I loaded earlier. Slide it in the back here. We're locked into place there. So we can charge our shutter. We will pull out our cover slide so the film will be exposed. Flip it around so we know we shot that one. Leave it right there. We'll fire our shutter. Close this back up. There we took our first shot. Now we're doing one at f/22 at 400. Another slide here, another picture here. f/22. We are set to 400 speed, f/22. We will pull our slide out here, flip it around so we know we shot it.
Oh my God, he's gonna pull a piece of it. He's dropped in the water, you idiot.
Yeah, that's that. I'm gonna take it right here at this waterfall. You can see I've got my shot set up here with the waterfall in focus and some of the stuff in and out of focus in the back of it. We've got one more shot. Good to go on this cartridge. So we're going to go ahead and pop it in here. Oh, come on, baby. All right. Took a light reading before this, but we need to make sure the shutter is closed. All right. And we're going to go set it at 8. At 400. Let's see here, we said 8, 400. And I'm just gonna wait for that cloud cover to come in. All right, thank you, clouds. We are gonna get this shot going now. All right, 8 at 400. We need to pull our film cover out, flip it over so I know it's been shot. Trigger our shutter. Put the film cover back, lock that in place, and now we've got both sides exposed.